Hey, this is Tor with Barrett Real Estate. Just wanted to take a second and let you know what we're doing here as one of the trainers. We're really focused on becoming relentless agents. And what we mean by being relentless agents is really stripping down your knowledge, skills, and attributes down to the nuts and bolts of what you have to do to be successful, not just only in the short term, but in the long term. And what we mean by that is there's two parts to training. One is really focusing on the knowledge related to real estate, such as the contracts. But then the other part of the business that not everyone focuses on is how to build that business. One of the founding principles that we base all of our training on is we believe in systems, even in our training. And that system is based off of saving yourself time, energy, and money. So what we mean by that is that every time you do revenue generating activity in real estate, you need to take into consideration, is this something that's going to save me time? Is this going to save me energy? And is this going to save me money? That's what we're here about, is teaching you how to have long-term success and be relentless.